Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw funds from Binance. So to withdraw funds from Binance, you have to make sure that your account is verified, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. So in order to withdraw funds from Binance, all you have to do is just go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you wish to withdraw. I'm gonna go with BNB, and when you do that, you can go ahead and tap on the button that says sell, which will be located right over here. So you just have to go and press on it and then enter in the address and all that. So while you're logged into your account, tap on the transfer button and then go to buy. When you do that, select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy, and on this page what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and switch it over to sell. When you do that, you'll be able to see the funds that is available on your Binance account. And next interface, you just have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and all that. Enter in the location or the destination where you're actually transferring or withdrawing the funds, and just confirm or go through the verification steps and all that. You'll have successfully withdraw funds from your Binance. So in that way, you can withdraw funds from your Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.